Hello, and thank you for joining us for the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Special Teardown video, part of the Tech Insights Teardown video series. News about a Huawei Triple Fold mobile phone has been in the market for years, and we do mean years. The Huawei Triple Fold smartphone has long been anticipated, with rumors starting at least as far back as 2021. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate has a pretty high price tag, but Huawei seems to be including some additional swag inside the large phone's shipping box, which include a pair of Huawei FreeBuds 5 and a car charger adapter. The additional devices are going to impact the supporting material cost in our deep dive teardown pretty significantly, but it also means Huawei has a higher shipping cost due to the heavier shipping weight. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate is designed with a Kirin high silicon platform. Expanded, the maximum view size listed is 10.2 inches, which we confirmed earlier, or about the same size as mini tablets. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate has a 3-camera system on the back, which includes a 50 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel cameras for both the ultra-wide and telephoto functions. There is also a time-of-flight sensor on the rear camera system. As for the front, the Huawei is using an 8 megapixel camera system. As for the components, we don't have the exact part numbers yet for this video, but many of the Huawei XT Ultimate ICs are from the same IC brands we found in the Mate 60 series and the Huawei Pura 70 series. We'll make our way around the frame. On the camera side of the frame are the volume and power button keys. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate fingerprint sensor is also housed in the power key. Sometimes it is what is missing that we feel compelled to mention and point out, and in this case, it is the lack of antenna bands on this side of the phone frame. This is the only part of any of the frames where there is no evidence of any embedded antennas. Log into the Tech Insights platform to see an extended version of the Huawei Mate XT unboxing and feature highlights.